Meaning of disused.
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 Disused. The term disused refers to something that is no longer in use or operation, particularly in reference to buildings, facilities or infrastructure. A disused object or location may have once served a purpose but has since been abandoned or neglected, often due to changes in technology or shifting societal needs. As a result, disused structures may fall into disrepair and deteriorate over time, becoming hazards to public safety or blights on the surrounding landscape. Reclamation and redevelopment efforts can revitalize disused areas and breathe new life into neglected communities.